Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the cluster spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the other crochet spike stitches. I have videos on the single crochet through the triple crochet spike stitch, and I will have all of those listed down below. To begin, I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the cluster spike stitch. This is what they will look like. In between those stitches, I have made rows of all single crochet. On the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain, and I have made one regular single crochet into the first stitch. I'm ready to make my first cluster spike stitch. You're going to be inserting your hook below these next three stitches. Into this first one, you're going to be inserting your hook right below this first stitch into this one right here, so the second one down. Insert your hook, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, and loosely pull it up. Next is going to be the third one down, so 1, 2, 3. You're going to insert your hook right here, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, and loosely pull it up. You want very loose tension with these so they don't start bunching up your work. The next one is going to be the second one down, so not this one, but this one right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, loosely pull it up. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that through all 4 loops, then make one chain to secure them all together. That's going to be one cluster spike stitch made. I'm making regular single crochets in between mine just to give them a little space. Same thing, you're going to work into the second stitch down, so this one right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, loosely pull it up. Next is the third one down, 1, 2, 3. You're going to insert your hook right here, grab that yarn, pull it through, loosely pull it up. Next is going to be the second one down, 1, 2. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, loosely pull it up. Yarn over, take that through all 4 loops on your hook, make one chain to secure them. Making a single crochet here. Alright, next one. Insert your hook into the second stitch down, grab that yarn, pull it through, loosely pull it up. Insert your hook into the third stitch down, grab that yarn, pull it through, loosely pull it up. Insert your hook into the second stitch down. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, loosely pull it up. Yarn over, take that through all 4 loops, and make a chain to secure them. That's how those are looking. I'm going to make a single crochet. I'm going to repeat this for the rest of my row. I'm just going to make a single crochet to finish off my row. That's how that row of cluster spikes is looking. And I did want to show you guys the back of my work, and this stitch is not reversible. It's not going to look the same on the other side. And that's how that is going to look on the back of your work. So that is going to be how to make the cluster spike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.